Okay, this is again one of those videos which don't provide real super useful information but discuss rather a weird behavior of plasticity. So let me show you what I mean. Here I have a line. I press P for creating a pipe. Make something like this. So this is a cylinder created out of a pipe, and now I will create a cylinder right away with the solid tool. So let's assume that they are identical, but they don't need to be identical to discuss the now following weird behavior. When I select this edge of the cylinder I created right away with this cylinder tool, BD, and if I press just on this flat surface, boom, I get a perfect round tip. But I can't do the same with this one. When I press BD, again I do the same. And if I press on this flat surface, it doesn't work. Of course, this is a first world problem. You can solve it another way. You can select this face, delete it, and repatch it with the patch hole command, Shift J, G1 continuity, and you get this perfect round tip this way. But I ran a few times in the situation where I created a pipe out of a line, and later on, when I made this filleting and wanted a perfect tip, I couldn't do it, while in other cases it was possible. And now I know the reason. You can create a perfect tip with a fillet on a cylinder which you created out of a solid cylinder, but you can't do it with the cylinder which you have created out of a pipe of this line. In order to create a perfect round tip on a cylinder which you have created out of a line, you have to use the Shift J patch hole command with G1 continuity. I don't know whether this information was super helpful, but this is again just a piece of information I stumbled across and I wanted to share this one with you. Peace!